Well, joining us now, a very special guest, PV Divya, the sister of PV Sindhu. Thanks very much, Divya, for being with us. Now, you must be right on top of the world. What does this moment mean to you and your family?
We're all very happy, Sindhu being the first Indian woman to have achieved this feat of having 2 Olympic medals to her credit. It's a big thing for us, and we're all very happy and proud of her.
And how tough was it for her to get ready to play this bronze medal playoff? I mean, it must have been tough mentally.
Yeah, she was a bit disappointed after her match yesterday, but when she called us, my dad spoke to her and he told her some mistakes of hers which she corrected very well in today's match. We asked her to forget what had happened yesterday and to treat it as a new day today and play with a very positive attitude. So I think she's done that, and she has won in straight 2 sets, so it's quite an achievement.
In fact, we've got your father joining us now as well, PV Sindhu's dad. Thanks, sir, very much for being with us. Absolutely, congratulations! What an incredible day. What does this feel like for you, the family? I mean, are you able to process it right now?
Sir, firstly, good evening, everybody, and I'm so glad. This is the highest achievement for a women athlete in the Olympics, winning back-to-back medals, and this is the hard work which she has put in all these 5 years, and thanks to all the supporting staff who have helped her, right from the sparring partners, Mr. Park, the Korean coach, and her physio, Ms. Evangelina, and fitness trainer especially to mention. To maintain such a big fitness at the highest level is not so easy. And apart from that, I'm glad that the academy, Suchitra Academy, which have helped her in sparing the partners,
right,
players for regular practice sessions. And
but
all
sir,
this
tell
has
me
happened
about how
in
difficult
the
it would have been
government
for
Telangana
Sindhu
Stadium.
today. How difficult it would have been for Sindhu today, because bronze medal playoff, some say that mentally it's really tough after having had a tough time in the previous match. For her to be 120% focused, I think that was incredible, just the ability to come out there and play her game.
Yeah. No, you have asked the right question, because it is not that easy to come out of a loss yesterday, the final, where you are reaching the finals, but playing the losing semi-finals is a big task and challenging, and see, you are not in a good mood also, because you are lost yesterday, but we have given her some motivational words to just forget that, because she has really played well, and she has given her best, and I'm glad that she has come out of it very fast, and today, as you said, she was outstanding, and 120% she has given, and crashed He Bingjiao, one of the trickiest player next to Tai Tzu Ying, in a straight sets.
Yeah. In fact, let me ask a question to Divya. Divya, it was a difficult match today. Sindhu's opponent was extremely strong. So, Divya, what exactly were your thoughts as you saw this match?
Yeah, it was a difficult match, but I think she had this 2 to 3 points lead at every stage, and that kind of helped her to be very positive, and that's how I think she kind of won it very easily in straight 2 sets.
So let me ask you this. I think the way she played this match, and I watched every moment of it, was that she never allowed her opponent to play her game. Sindhu made sure that this entire match was played to Sindhu's strengths, and that's why she won. She didn't let her opponent slow down the pace, didn't let her opponent play her natural net game, which she was very adept at. Instead, Sindhu dictated the terms. Would you say that, in terms of strategy, was key?
Yeah, that was correct, as Divya rightly said, because she is also a netball player, national player, So she has also played the sport and she has the knowledge of sport. So as Divya said, it is very much correct that she has dictated the pace, and she never allowed He Bingjiao to just recover and come back to her original game. That has really helped Sindhu to just win in 2 sets.
In fact, Divya, let me ask you this. Would you say that it was the way that Divya, I should say, Sindhu played, preventing her opponent from playing to her strengths? In other words, the strategy that won her the match today.
Yes, definitely. Sindhu has played very well today, and yesterday I think at 18-all in the first set when she was playing with Taizu, there were 2 points which went on to the net, and because of which she was a little bit disappointed. But I think today she played extremely very well, and this kind of helped her win the match.
So could you tell us a little bit about her coach, Mr. Park, who's been fantastic. It's such a great partnership. The coach has such an important role. Tell us a little bit about him, not just as a coach, but as a person, because it's that bond which takes sports, to the next level.
As a person, let me tell you about the Park. He is such a nice person, and he is only committed. He is so much focused, and he gave a tips to Sindhu before going for the tournament, that is 15 days before, because Sindhu always used to lose her, she gets angry and she loses her focus on the match. Then before 15 days before we are leaving for the Olympics, I was listening to him. He was telling Sindhu, let the point go, not 1, 2, 3, 4, but I want you to be just keep focused, be calm and play your game. That was the tip which really helped Sindhu. You might have seen Sindhu earlier. She used to lose her patience and attitude. She used to change her attitude and she used to lose the points. But the way the Park has given her the tips, and you have seen a drastic change, especially in defense and dribblings. This has really helped Sindhu to now play at this highest level of the sport.
Now, Divya, I believe Prime Minister Modi owes Sindhu some ice cream. Is that true?
Yeah. Just before going to the Olympics, Modi ji had a talk with all the Olympians, and when he spoke to Sindhu, he told her that he'll be having an ice cream with her when she wins the medal and comes back home. So yeah, hoping that will take place very soon once she's back.
I'm sure that'll be a really big bowl of ice cream. But sir, does she have a favorite flavor of ice cream?
Sir?
Does she have a favorite flavor of ice cream?
No. See, she takes mostly chocolate ice cream, and of course, ice cream is an ice cream now. But those encouraging words from Prime Minister Modi ji means a lot, because these are the words which motivate the sports persons before going for the Olympics. And I'm so thrilled, Prime Minister sparing 1 hour of time, especially with the athletes and their parents, is an exemplary so to say. So hats off to our Prime Minister ji, Modi ji, for taking such a great decision and encouraging not only the sports persons but the families and the entire nation.
Sir, you are, you're our champion's dad. What is it about your daughter, Sindhu, that inspires you personally? What aspect of her?
No, her commitment, her never say no to the practice sessions, her dedication, her sincerity, and her hunger towards the sport, to just give her the best what she can to the nation.
And Divya, what inspires you most about Sindhu?
She's very hardworking, and she's very plain at heart and soft-hearted. She doesn't get all that success and name and fame to her head. She's still the same Sindhu that I know as her sister. So that inspires me a lot, that she's very hardworking and plain at heart.
So Divya, will she be back for the next Olympics?
Yeah. So the next Olympics I think will be held in Paris, might be in another 3 years, because since this Olympics was delayed by 1 year. So hopefully she should be representing the country in the next Olympics as well, if she continues the same game and
I have no doubt that
the
she
same way she works hard.
So Mr. Ramana, how is the family going to celebrate when she returns? I mean, what is it that you as a family do to celebrate victory, triumph? You've got two wonderful daughters. Both of them are champions in their own right. So how do you celebrate as a family? I mean,
Sindhu is very simple. So she never asks, I want this and that, all these things. She only maximum asks an ice cream or a biryani, Hyderabad biryani, she loves it. So when she comes back, so we will ask her and we will definitely give and prepare of her choice.
and Mr. Ramana, dealing with pressure. Now we saw Sindhu today, no pressure, lost a point, just got back to business, won the next one. How do you as a father, and how does Divya, how does your wife, how do you deal with the pressure of watching? It must be so difficult.
No, really I should appreciate Sindhu the way she has played today, without any pressure and focused, and we have seen that hunger that she should not lose this medal, though we lost gold and silver. The way she has played, and we are so happy and thrilled to watch her on screen with such a lovely moments, and without making a single mistake today. So that really helped her and to clinch this bronze medal and creating as of now a record in the country, winning 2 individual medals in 2 consecutive Olympics.
Absolutely incredible. I'd like to thank you both very much for being with us. Congratulations. I think the fact that you've been able to succeed so much as a dad in training or helping to train and encouraging your daughters, that you, sir, are very much somebody we should be thanking as a nation. So thank you, sir. Thank you very much indeed. And thank you, Divya, very much for being with us.